So you're here on this video because after your quiz yesterday, it became obvious that you needed a little bit more help, or maybe a lot of help, with metaphors. And you have your sheet in front of you, the Poetry Standard Reassessment, and we're going to go through what you need for levels 1, 2, 3, and 4 for just metaphors using the packet of poems in front of you. Now, the first and easiest way to get level 1 is just to identify and know what you're looking for. And since I've already told you this is a metaphor video, you should be able to put right here that you're doing. Then, level 2 is when you got to start finding the examples, picking them out, showing me that you know that you can find it. And in order to do that, we're going to use one of my favorites, You're a Mean One, Mr. Grinch. Just reading the first few lines, you're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel. I know, it's like Teron came up with these or something. Mr. Grinch, you're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. I could go on, but I've already seen a couple metaphors, and I'm going to pick one out for you. Now, you can't use this one. Right here. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. You should know that a metaphor is a comparison of two things without using like or as. So here, the comparison, you're, meaning Mr. Grinch, a bad banana with a greasy black peel. You have Mr. Grinch, and you have a bad banana with a greasy black peel. That's a metaphor. They're comparing the two things. So you're gonna, if I was you, I would be writing, you're a bad banana with a greasy black peel, and you can write it out. That's level 2, just identifying. 1, 2, 3. Right, that's my first one. Again, you're not allowed to use this one. Okay? That's how you get to level 2 if you're not already. Now, level 3, as you can see on your sheet, says explain how you know what type of device it is. And as we talked about, it compares two things. Okay? So it compares Mr. Grinch to a bad banana with a greasy black peel. Okay? Getting close. The second part there, though, is explain why the author chose to use and what is the effect on the reader. Well, let's think about it. Bad banana, greasy black peel, that's disgusting. Nobody wants to eat that. Nobody would choose it. Nobody likes those gross, bruised, rotten bananas, right? So you've got Mr. Grinch. He's a greasy, bad banana with a black peel. That's gross. That's disgusting. So why would the author choose that? What's the effect on the reader? Well, it reminds the reader of something disgusting, and is saying, Mr. Grinch is disgusting. Okay. So why would the author choose it? Because he wants to show us that Mr. Grinch is disgusting. 1, 2, 3. You only have to choose one of your 3 examples to do here. That's fine. To get to a level 4, as you can see down there, is you need to look at all 3 of them for different poems. Are they similar? Are they different? Does the author use them the same way? This is where you show how well you understand, how well you know it, and how far above and beyond you can think. So if you still don't get it, watch this again. If you don't get it even after that, raise your hand, call me over, and we'll talk about it, and we'll find another example. Once again, this is metaphors. Go through it. Let me know when you're done. Thanks.